And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
It was another nice morning for a hike at Helen Hunt Falls. John captured the beautiful waterfall. No ice on the waterfall anymore, that's all melted, but I do see the potential for this view to be snow covered by the end of the week. I'll get to that in a moment, but let's look at today's almanac numbers. Chilly this morning at 36 in Pueblo. We rose to 77, 10 degrees above average. 33 this morning in the Springs, rose to 10 degrees above average. 71 was our high. We have had a little bit of energy from the jet stream and a little bit of moisture, and we've had a few showers today. So they have definitely favored areas west of I-25 in our mountain valleys, but a few spotty showers have made it into the plains. This area of light to moderate rain is now moving through Bent County, but no longer producing any lightning, so that's good news. As far as temperatures go this evening, they range from the 50s in Woodland Park, Westcliff, to the 70s still along the Arkansas River. Overnight will be pretty mild. We're talking 40s in the plains and mid to upper 30s in our mountain valleys. And then Wednesday and Thursday are going to be the warmest days this week. On Wednesday, highs are expected to range from the 60s to the 80s. And once again on Thursday, ranging from the 60s to 80s. Will be about 15 degrees above average for Wednesday and Thursday. But the wind is also going to be picking up as those temperatures rise. So we're also going to be concerned about fire danger returning. So on Wednesday afternoon, gusts will be around 20 to as high as 40 miles per hour. Stronger wind is expected on Thursday, and this is the day I'm really concerned about fire danger. We'll likely see gusts from 45 to 65 miles per hour, and the strongest wind will be coming down off the mountains and really drying us out. Humidity will be less than 10% on Thursday afternoon. So on Wednesday, we do have a few red flag warnings in place starting at noon and expiring at 8 o'clock. A bit more widespread with those fire weather watches for Thursday, which are expected to be upgraded to red flag warnings. Now, initially this week, we've got the high pressure and the warming trend. But by Friday into Saturday, this area of low pressure looks to dig into the Four Corners region, providing moisture, cooler temperatures, and a chance of snow. So we are totally switching our weather pattern by the end of the week. Here is a very early preview of this storm's potential timing and precipitation type. So starting as soon as Friday morning, we will see a few showers making their way into the state, mostly snow in the mountains, and generally through Friday afternoon, we'll have a good mix of rain and snow in the plains and along I-25. And then some colder air comes in Friday night. We're likely to see a decent turnover to snowfall for the interstate and for portions of the plains. And as far as when this snow ends, that's definitely up for debate still. We still have a lot of details to work out with this moisture. It looks like it will be good moisture, picking up at least a quarter inch of precipitation. Heavy mountain snow does look likely, but there's uncertainty in timing and the track of the storm, which will really impact our snow totals and our temperatures in the afternoon above freezing. So that also will impact melting and snow totals. So here's your first alert that we're expecting wintry weather Friday to Saturday. No specific details yet about how much you can expect. For Pueblo, should definitely be a good mix of rain and a little bit of snow. Same for Canyon City, a good amount of rainfall, but then we are likely to see it transition to snow at some point, likely in the overnight hours. And finally for Woodland Park, I do expect higher impacts for you, several inches of slushy, heavy spring snow on the way for Friday and Saturday.